Good day everyone. For all the individuals out there with residential ABSD issues, fret not. Today I have a brand new food industrial project coming your way extremely soon. So come, let me take you on a tour of Gourmet Xchange, an industrial food project that you cannot miss in 2026. First impression that you get is it doesn't feel like an industrial project. This is truly one of a kind. The project itself is separated into 3 different zones, namely the Heritage Terrace, the Central Plaza where all the action happens, and of course, the Exchange at the rear where you will find your B2 industrial units. So there are a total of 272 units, 8 of which are located in the Heritage Terrace being B1 light industrial with restaurants at the ground floor itself. And the balance units, 264 of them, are located at the Exchange where you will find your B2 food processing, you will find canteens to service this entire catchment of tenants and end users. So one of the most interesting pointers about Gourmet Exchange is actually this 40-footer ramp access. For any industrial player outside, we know that logistics and transportation is key to running a good business. I'm pleased to inform you that CapitaLand has provision for 40-footer ramp access, and adding to that, the width of the driveway for this portion of it is actually 16 meters, allowing you to have good transportation and very efficient logistics handling. So for investors looking for alternative F&B assets, we actually have the Heritage Terrace that is catered specifically for your need. On the ground floor itself, you'll find your restaurants, and on the upper floors, you actually have your food production facilities, reducing the time commitments, providing efficiency to your business. So the beauty of having CapitaLand as a developer is that they've infused placemaking into this entire development. You'll find the Central Plaza where all the F&B outlets are located, you have active zones, and at the same time on the 3rd floor, you have a sky garden looking over this beautiful water body abetting the entire development. So for food industrial players, location is key for time-sensitive deliveries, and I'm happy to tell you that Gourmet Exchange is located in a very central area. You're connected close to various expressways, PIECT, KP and ECP, they're all within an 11 minutes drive. And for anyone that works here, you have so many different MRT stations that will take you to all parts of Singapore. CapitaLand's design expertise has also transcended into the individual units itself. From level 1 to level 3, you'll find units of around 7,000 square feet in size, and from level 4 to level 9, the units are around 3,000 square feet in size. But what makes this even more attractive is the seating height, ranging from 5.5 meters all the way to 7 meters, catering to the intricate requirements of all end users. So industrial real estate actually forms the cornerstone of Singapore's economy, and food factories form the lifeline that ensures our food security in the long term given our growing population. This project is done by CapitaLand, a very reputable developer, giving you the assurance of a good and quality product when you receive your keys. And more importantly, this particular project is very centrally located, allowing you good access to all parts of Singapore within the central catchment area. So quickly make your appointments with your preferred Huttons associate, and I'll see you at Gourmet Xchange, an industrial project that is truly one of a kind, centrally located, coming your way extremely soon in 2026.